In this video, I am going to tell you how to create your first GitHub Codespace from GitHub repository. So watch this video till the end to know how to do it. So first of all, you need to open this link github.com/codespaces. So make sure to open this link and enter the correct spelling. It is very easy to open this, and you need to log in with your GitHub account. And after that, you need to click on this option New Codespace. Just tap on this. It is very easy, simple process. Herein you need to select any repository. So you need to click on this drop down and you can select any one of them. I selected this one, and you need to select this option branch region. You can select this option branch region main type and click on you will get these options: branch region market type. If you want to select anything, you can select other, and then you need to click on create code space. It will set up your code space for you, and it is a great alternative if you want to use it on web, all vibe coding and other things. You can do coding here, and you can connect it to any other platform. I use it. The new feature, this is built with AI agent. I use it a lot. So this is the steps to create your first GitHub code space, and after that you can do changes here manually as well, or you can use this AI tool as well to make changes. You can expand it, and you can see all the files here. Everything is available here. You can open the file here. Any file you can open here. You can see coding. You can make changes here if you want to, or you can just type it here, and you can use it, or you can use the AI model. You can do anything. So I hope friends, now you will be able to create your code space project here and using your GitHub repository. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.